Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make our name in a lock screen on a Realme. But before I continue this video, as always, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel. And don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well guys, for example, here I'm gonna turn off first my screen. And as you can see, it's only time and the date in my lock screen. So if you wanna make your name in this lock screen, you just have to go to the settings on your phone first. After that, go ahead to this display option. Now in this display page, you just have to scroll it down to the bottom until you find here the lock screen option, here at the last option. After that, here tap on add text on a lock screen. And actually, it's not only for the name. You can add some text as like quotes or anything. But here, if you want to make it your name, you just have to type your name first. Here I'm gonna name it by Spotaria. And after, if you're done, tap on the save button here at the pop-up. And as you can see here, the Spotaria. So I'm gonna turn off again my screen. For example, I'm gonna show you. And yeah, as you can see, there are the Spotaria names. So just it. I think it's enough, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon in the next one, and good luck.